What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I just finished making my pickles, so make sure y'all check that video out when it come out. Okay, today we just making steak, cheese, and rice. We might go ahead and put it on some tortillas, or you could just eat it just like that. It really don't matter. Okay, before we get started though, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally. Don't forget that. Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Alright, y'all, so the first thing we're going to do, I have like some cubed up steak. You really can just get some steak and slice it up. I really would prefer slices. But honestly, I've been busy today and I really didn't feel like slicing up no beef. So I just got the cubed up steak, you know, diced up, and we just going to season it, okay? So the first thing we're going to go in with is some olive oil, a little bit of that. And then I got some monetary steak seasoning, but it's pretty much gone, so I'm just gonna, y'all saw that, it's gone. I do got some kindreds though. We're gonna use this. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of seasoning salt. Not too much of that. And a little bit of garlic powder. And you just want to mix this in real good. Y'all know what? I'm feeling like I wanted to add a little bit of taco seasoning, so that's what I started to do here. I'm gonna just do a little of that. Y'all, I told you I'm doing construction, so y'all gotta ignore that noise. They upstairs doing construction in my house. Alright, so what we're gonna do is toss our rice in here. Cleaned rice, about a cup of rice, with some oil. Y'all know I'm using this algae oil. I told y'all I've been liking it. Now we're gonna toss in our onions and some garlic. I'm saving some of this for the meat. Maybe like a teaspoon or so for the meat. Eight ounces of like some tomato sauce. Jeez, y'all, don't just kind of be blurry. All that, I just fill it up halfway and get all of it. I'm gonna throw in some seasoning, y'all. This is some cumin, black pepper, salt, and a little bit of dried cilantro. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of fresh cilantro as well. I got some that I'm gonna save for the end for garnish. Now we're gonna go in with about 2.5 cups or so of some chicken broth. Then we're just gonna place the lid on this for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna bring it to a boil, then let it simmer. Just gonna add a little oil. Let that heat up. Just gonna add the meat. Add a little bit of garlic. This is the rest of it. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and check on this rice. The meat is done. Let me show y'all. It's done. It didn't take long at all. So we're just gonna sit that aside and check on this rice. I'm also heating up some tortillas right now. Just putting them in the pan with a little bit of butter, heating them up, and then they're coming out like this. Okay? A few seconds, flip it over. Not too much. See, it's already ready. I just put it in there. There you go. So I have some of this squeezed cheese, y'all, that I put in this pot right here, and I'm just heating it up, and so I can just pour it on top nice and smoothly, okay? See how it tastes. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, y'all, I'm gonna add a little Pico. I usually make my own, but I did not this time. Don't judge me, okay? Pico got only tomato. That's why I make my own Pico, because they ain't got nothing in this Pico. Anyway, some cilantro. Salsa, but I'm put that on my personal plate because everybody don't like this hot ass salsa. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. Y'all, super good. I'm about to put it on some tortillas with some salsa, and it's gonna be fab. Don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.